Alright guys, a little review on these Knipex electrical insulation pliers. This is a comfort grip, but you can get insulation grips or PVC dip grips on these, but I just got these because this was all I had in stock when I went. These have a couple of features in them which save you having to carry several pairs of pliers, and if you're like me and don't like carrying too much weight around with you. There's a cable shear built into the centre bit. Can strip 3 different types of cable to these pre-sized holes, which are 0.7mm, 1.5mm and 2.5mm. It can crimp from 0.5mm up to 2.5mm as well, located here. It's got a nut grabber and then needle nose pliers, which are serrated and then flush on the end, so you can just grab things and do a little more delicate work. Also great at getting into things. Really good set of pliers. This cable shear is brilliant as well, goes through cable no problem whatsoever, just far better than side cutters, to be fair, brilliant. And the cable stripper is great. I've got some 1.5 cable here and straight through, no problem. Just twist and a pull. No damage whatsoever to the copper. Nice and really nice pliers, nice and smooth as well out the box. No, but all round, really decent set of pliers, and can save you a bit of room in your toolbox or your tool belt, depending on whatever you use. But yeah, thanks anyway, guys.